So, hello everyone. Edvin asked me to make this tutorial for you guys. So I figured I would make it for you. They were doing how to record sound and then get it on your computer for your use in videos. So first, what you want to do is go to your web browser, look up sounds. I know it's backwards for you guys, but it's okay. It'll be normal. So then when you're looking for sounds, you need to find a good website. In this one is good, I think. You want to get ready. I'm in the word instruction tutorial. I told him to use a tape recorder, and since I don't have a tape recorder with me, I'm just gonna pretend with this. So you want to take the tape recorder, and you want to start recording early. You want to press the record button on it. So now it's recording and it's listening. So you want to take your noises and you want to play the sound, and you want to start playing it, but when you start playing it, you want to run away quickly so you don't make any extra noise. So when it's still playing, you don't get any of your background noise. And then this sound isn't over, but this is for example. You want to stop the sound, you want to take away your speakers, and then you want to press stop recording. And then what you want to do is you take out the tape and you want to plug it into your computer, and then you want to open up your favorite editing program. And I think that's it. So bye guys. Thanks. I hope my sound wasn't too quiet.